Last year, the MEs introduced a digital action plan across Quebec. The purpose of the digital action plan is to support the development of digital skills of young people and adults, make use of digital technologies to enhance teaching and learning practices, create an environment conducive to the development of digital technologies in the education system. The Digital Action Plan initiated an increase of technology in our schools and centers in the form of digital combos. These consisted of 3 focus areas: digital devices, educational robotics, and creative spaces. This year, the MEs complemented the Digital Action Plan with a digital competency framework. Key points from the AIM include digital competency development, autonomy and critical judgment, which are essential in today's world, that we must adapt teaching practices in order to prepare future workers for the challenges of tomorrow. The digital competency framework is one single competency made up of 12 interconnected and overlapping dimensions. The 2 dimensions at the hub making up the core of the competency are exercising ethical citizenship, along with developing technological skills. The 10 dimensions surrounding the core are harnessing digital resources for learning, developing information literacy, collaborating, communicating, and producing content, fostering inclusion and addressing diverse needs for personal and professional empowerment, solving problems, critical thinking, and finally, adopting an innovative and creative approach. And as with each dimension of the competency, all of this is in some way connected to the use of digital technology. If the digital competency already seems familiar, that's because it has many similarities to the 9 cross-curricular competencies introduced back in the early 2000s. We can see the words via, using, and with regard to digital technology added to the cross-curriculars. However, it's important to note that the cross-curriculars were intended as 9 independent competencies. The digital competency is intended to be more holistic. Ethical citizenship and developing technological skills are the foundation, with a variety of connections between the surrounding dimensions. Though we can justify all 12 dimensions to any learning situation, the key is to be mindful and intentional and recognize that this will be different from the perspective of each individual. We can encourage all stakeholders to articulate their own digital competency choices, thus developing autonomy and critical judgment with regards to digital technology as set out by the aim of the competency. If we are to confront the challenges of tomorrow in this digital age, it's essential that school communities make the digital competency framework part of their collective vocabulary.